Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I am officially the proud owner of SLR Hdk MSO edition number 3 out of 12. If you guys haven't seen the delivery video, go back and watch the video from last week. It was incredible. Sound is absolute monster. Sounds like a lion out of a cage. And today I want to tell you what did this transformation cost me and what did it go through. A lot of items, actually so many items. I had to print a list, so let's get on with it. Well, to start with, the entire interior went through a retrim. I chose the white. How did they put this thing in here? Oh my god, I think they glued it. All right. There you go. It's a night white leather with classic fabric. Center console is carbon fiber. I did opt to add the cluster, the 722S cluster that was out of the 722 GT race car. Is white and red dials, and I opted to wrap this all in white to kind of tie in the exterior with interior color. I think it came out really nice. It does come with a badge of 3 of 12 Hdk MSO edition. Oh yeah, so it does have the shift lights, really cool when you're speeding through the traffic, downshifting. That's it. I think the only thing they haven't changed on the inside was the ceiling liner. So what's really cool though is what they did to the car on the outside and under the hood. So this car came as a coupe, 2006 coupe. I sent it over there. They've put an exterior aero on it. As you guys can see, it's wider. Got the open vents on the side. The exhaust is really cool. And I can tell you guys, it's a new ceramic coated lightweight sport exhaust with bypass valve and a new exhaust tip design. So that's a one-off design. It's really cool. Obviously the wing is massive. This is not an active wing, as you would see with the regular SLRs that, you know, it's active. A lot of downforce. You got the rear bumper, new diffuser on the back. And let's look at this. That's to support all that downforce. Really cool. They even put a new charging port right underneath here. But what I love about the car, it's all the openness. I'll show you guys in the front, but look at this. You can see all the, you know, exhaust manifold. The inside of the engine bay is all painted. On the front, again, they got rid of some of the bodywork here and they just put the screen. You can see my white SLR here. So this piece is not present here. They opened up the headlights a bit. Again, front diffuser, brand new. On the hood, on the bonnet, they put more vents, carbon fiber. Really, really gives them the gorgeous contrast. Again, lightweight racing wheels. What else am I missing? Ooh, let's look under the hood. Find it. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. How does it look? Woo, sweet. Look how clean that thing is. You know, I should have chat with them. They should have done some kind of a red accent in there. But it's okay. How often are you gonna open the hood? It does have a new suspension, new steering component, so the steering wheel is much easier. The old SLR steering wheel rack and pinion is a little bit tough. This one's much smoother. And the car is just a little bit more lower. Much better aero, as you guys can see. Overall, it feels like a brand new car. It sounds absolutely incredible. I would say it's probably up there as far as the joyride excitement, up to my P1. Now, talking about the sound, when I first got it, I didn't even realize it does have the free flow button, and I just noticed it, honestly, right before I shoot this video, and I want to test it out.
So this startup will be without the free flow on right now?
Yeah. So this is without the free flow. Gas, guys. Still has a stereo. Yep. It's got a cassette player. I'm not joking.
They took out your phone, right?
Oh yeah, let me see if there's a phone in there. Oh shit, they took out my rear compartment. But wait, Check this out. They gave me white gloves.
What?
Yeah. MSO left some white gloves for me. Well, I should be wearing these. This thing is so white. The car just landed literally like an hour ago, so it's super dirty, but I can't wait to detail it and do a proper test drive in the canyons with this exhaust and sound. It's gonna be nuts. And you better bring your drone.
100%.
Yeah. Woo! Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be safe, be well. I need to go take a chill pill because my heart's still pounding from driving this beast. And I'm super blessed. Thank you, MSO. Everybody at MSO, McLaren, love you guys. Love this car. And can't wait to take it for another joyride. Be safe, be well. See you guys on the next one.